Welcome to Build a CRUD with VueJS and Firebase course. This course is dedicated to all those developers who are looking forward to implement a full-featured application which contains file hosting, database, and authentication. If you are a front-end developer who is using VueJS for their front-end application, you can now use Firebase and use the tools of Firebase like firestore, storage, and authentication to create a full-featured application. In this course, we are going to use two main things. The first thing is VueJS, and the next one is Firebase. We are going to use three products of Firebase, and those three products are firestore, authentication, and the cloud storage. And finally, once our application is ready, we are going to host it into Vercel or Netlify. Here is a quick demo of the application that we are going to create in this course. It's a game store where user can create an account and submit a game information. Each game will have some fields like the title, cover image, developer, publisher, and posted by it will show the username who posted this game and some description. So let's try to log in. Once you are logged in, you will see all the games posted by you. And you can also create a new game by using this model form. Or you can edit an existing game posted by you. And even you can delete a specific game. So this is the entire CRUD application that we are going to create throughout this course.